to Wednesday. For those of you who did not make it to live class, start off with the warm-up as always to be counted as present for the day. Watch the video and answer the following questions. What is the DMZ and what is it like there? What did the North Koreans in this video say about America? Once you are done with that, you can go to your Korean map analysis, which will look like this. If you're in Miss Mass's class, it's obviously going to look a little different, but it's the exact same thing. You write your first and your last name. For those of you who do not know, my government is Luke. And then in here, you're going to have a handful of maps that we expect you to analyze and then answer your questions carefully. So it'll be like, what type of map is this? As always, read your title. That usually helps. What do you notice about it? And then answer in full sentences. As always, try to understand what we're asking you and what there is to learn from each one. The little readings above are not extra. They're definitely a part of it, and they'll definitely help you understand both the map and how to answer the questions, so don't miss out on those. A little tip here is that this is in China. That'll show up in your questions, so just realize that this one, if you write this one, you did not get the answer right. So read this carefully. Realize that this city is in China. That'll make more sense when you read it. And then your last one here, this type of map, each one of these counts as a different base. So use that both for how many total there are and what type of map this is. So the symbols always mean the same thing and they are the same size. So just keep that in mind and then submit when you're finished. That's all for the day.